Welcome, friends. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Today, we will see a small program with coding. This is with regard to the TDS challans which we receive and the way we consume it. Without wasting time, let's straight away go to the program. This is a button for challans received. Whenever you receive a challan, you have to record it here. Whenever you consume it, record it here. Okay. So we are in the month of March now. So I will select the month. The moment I select the month, Excel will take us to that particular sheet. See, we have shifted to the month of March. Now, our challan number, let's suppose, is 5556. This is for 80,500 rupees. So these things have come. Next, go to challan consumed. How it is consumed. Select the same month, March. Since we are trying to get the details of consumption for this particular challan number, we have to give this challan number 5566. This is out of this total amount. Let us suppose for this particular particular party, PQR Limited, in this particular quarter and year, we have consumed, let's suppose, 23,000. 23,000 is concerned with this party. Okay. Then, the moment you select the company, its PAN number appears automatically. All the PAN numbers are given in the last page here. I'll show you that. So amount consumed, let's suppose 42,500. See, it shows here. How much is the challan amount? 80,500. It shows here. So far, what is the consumption? These two amounts. See, when you see the total of these two, it is 65,500, which is reflected here. And what is the challan amount which is unconsumed? It is 15,000. Let's go back. Challan consumed. Go to March 5566. So there are three parties in this challan amount. So amount consumed here is 15,000 for this particular party, and this, see here, challan unconsumed is 0. This detail, if we do not keep this detail till the date of filing the return, quarterly return, till the date of filing return, if you do not keep this detail with you, it causes a lot of confusion. Since challan amount will be much bigger and number of parties will be large, so a lot of confusion will be there. If one can record like this and keep it, then on the just before filing the quarterly return, it will be very easy if we have these details with us. See, after the month of March, I have created a sheet called PAN, entity PAN number. So whatever name you choose, Whatever company name you select, that PAN number comes automatically through VLOOKUP. So this is the way it works. If I select August, see, there are no entries in August. If I want to put another entry here, we'll put another entry here. 1255, 10,500. Go to challan consumed, select the same month, 1255, consumed for client. The moment you select a client, a number comes automatically. Select the quarter, amount consumed, then I'm selecting another party. So fourth quarter I have taken. So the amount balance I'm putting. See, these are the three 10,500. Total of the three individual amounts is 10,500, which is equal to the amount of the challan. This is how you can store the data till the date of filing the quarterly return, whether it is 24Q or 26Q. 24Q, normally you do not have so much of confusion, since you know how much you are deducting from each employee. This is suitable for 26Q for external parties. Let's go and see how this is created. We have two user forms. One is challan consumed, another is challan received. And we have so many modules. Let's go and see this view object. Let's first go to receive. This is smaller one. So you insert a user form. This is the user form. Then on this, with the help of this toolbox, where is toolbox here? This is the toolbox. This is a label. This is a label. It is created through this. You hit on this, and hit it here. A label comes up. This is a label. So give it a name. Right click, properties. Properties. See, if I want to bring it like this, I want to give a name called select a month. Caption is equal to, since I am selecting this particular label, the properties belonging to this particular label are seen here. So I am changing the caption. I'll say select a month. Okay, but the font and color are still different. Let's go to the font. This font is Comic Sans MS. Comic Sans MS. Okay, I think it is 12 or something. See, oh, it's less than that. Comic, maybe 10. And italics, bold. This is C. Then change the color, faux color. Change it something like this. You can create it like this. Okay, I'm removing this. Then this is a combo box. Create combo box like this. Create it like this. And the moment you click on the combo box, it should show you the months. How do you get it? There are different methods. What I have done is, see, this is a combo box 1. What I have done is, for combo box 1, I have created different months within the coding itself, not on the worksheet. You can create these months in the worksheet, some page, and catch it from that place. So instead of doing that, I have done it in the coding itself. So you have to do such coding here. Instead of doing combo 1, if I do, this is what, combo 2, I'll get, see, let's see, combo 2. Now, I will not get months in this. I'll get the list of values in this combo box. Let's see, F5. See, this way it is created step by step. Okay, then I will go and change this to combo 1. So this is how you create a combo. Then these are text boxes. Text boxes to hold the data which you give, the challan number which you give, the challan date. Normally it is a challan date. What is the text box number 3? Text box number 3, the date, see, text box number 3, the date is picked up from the system. The moment a user form is initialized, it is picked up from the system date. You can change it. It is picked up from the system. You can change it. Then challan amount. This is for to give you a challan amount. Then in these two are your command buttons. Under this button, cancel, unload me is enough. These two words are enough for it to work. Here you have to give something. This is very important. This is very important because the moment you are selecting F5, the moment you select a particular month here, that particular sheet has to open up, and the data which we type here should go to that particular month. So this decides where the data goes. If I write it something, say this data will go to July. So if I select something here, this, and give data here, this will go to November, as you can see. So this determines, this line, this combo box determines where the data should go. Okay, so see, it determines target sheet where the data should go. Then next row, how next row is created, you can see in the first column, this is column 1, next row, column 3, column 2, then 12, 13, 14 are these columns. 12, 13, 14 give you that effect. Okay, let's go back to that. Mm, Code. Let's see the code. This gives you the effect in 12, 13, and 14 column numbers. And I have kept the column width like this. If you want to keep the column width at a particular number, do this. So this is for getting horizontal alignment. This is to the position of the challan. I have brought it down so that you can see this screen, because if I select a month, if it comes here, it's better it should come here so that we have more space to see. That's why I brought it down on the page. And this is to get your months. If you see how the command, this is same as the first one. I can add some more years. In fact, challans received is more complex than challan. This is more complex than challan consumed. Challan consumed is easy coding. This is how you have to code for this particular program. Thanks for watching. Subscribe to my channel for more such videos. Thank you.